What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Before we get into much today, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop good eats like these. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one way that I fry my chicken. These are all the seasonings that I use. My chicken is already cleaned, and now I'm going to start seasoning my chicken with all those seasonings that you just saw. This is a very quick and easy way that I fry chicken, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up, please. These next two ingredients are our two special ingredients that help us get that extra crunchy chicken. We have some mustard, and I'm also going to put 1 egg in here. Then I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to let it sit for probably about 20 minutes while I get my flour together. And also, if your chicken is cold, you also want to let it sit and get room temperature. You don't want to fry cold chicken. Now, as you can see, I have some cornstarch here. That is our third key and important ingredient to our extra crunchy chicken. I'm adding it to my flour, and what I'm also going to add to my flour is all those seasonings that you also saw in the beginning. The same thing I seasoned my chicken with, I'm going to put it into my flour and my cornstarch mixture. After the chicken has marinated and I've got my flour all good and mixed up, we're going to give the chicken a good shake in the flour, and we're also going to drop it in some very hot grease. I have my deep fryer on 350, and make sure that your grease is hot before you put your chicken in there. And I fried my chicken for 10 minutes. And here's our results after 10 minutes. We have some nice crispy, crunchy fried chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see, and let me know if you try it. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Be that light for someone to emulate, because you never know what your kind words and gestures may do for someone else today.